Good morning, my friends. I've got a little project here what I would like to do. This is the exhaust of my Farmall, and when I bought it, like in the video that you've seen, the exhaust come up and then make a turn, and it was cut off, say 45 degrees or whatever, but it made a turn and then cut off. So I cut it down long time ago and put this rain flap on. But if I look in my previous videos, it sounds much better with the other part. It's just a strange of a better sound that came out that I like much. So I've got here a piece of steel, which that size looks more or less the same as that. I'm going to check it now. This is the outer part of a shock absorber. That my plan is to cut it 45, say, for instance, and bend it together so that I've got a bend, but I don't know if the geometry will work out on the round pipe. So okay, let me proceed and see what we can do. Okay, my plan is, you see this stripe here, from the stripe till there, fit exactly over that part of the exhaust, and then I will cut from here, and from there bring it gradually in up until that point there, and then I will bend the two together, and then we will, when it is bended, we will cut a whatever degree angle on there and see how it looks. Okay guys, I'm making the last cut here. On this other side is finished. Okay, let's bend it and see how it looks. Okay guys, let's hope for the best. It might come a little bit flat there, but I think the original was as well like that. Let me just check. Okay guys, so I took my angle grinder and grind it a little bit deeper, so it will bend now. So let's go to the bench. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it needs a little bit of more grinding to get perfect. Okay, gents, something like that. I would like to, if it was a little bit more bigger angle, but it's fine. So what I'm going to do is either weld or just to hear how it sounds. I've got a product here same as your JB weld. I think I'm going to put it here, clean it up, and then we can start it up on a Farmall and see how it sounds. Okay guys, this is the glue Very old, these two tubes come still from Pretoria, so about 3 years, more than 3 years old, so I hope it's still okay inside. Okay, let's put a fair amount there. This one I had to cut open because this part will not come off the cap. Okay, now 50% of that. Okay, as you can see, I welded it a little bit just to close the gap, but my welder is not in a good condition anymore. It's an old oil bath, and I think the oil level over years is now too low, so it's not a good machine to work with now. So let me go around and close it up. Okay guys, now it must just we must give it time to dry. Okay my friends, this glue is very quick. It's about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and you can touch it. It will take 24 hours to reach full strength, but it's ready to test it on the Farmall. Let's do that right away. Okay guys, let's go ahead. The same cell as previously. It's a nice deep sound. But I think, sorry for the sun, I think I was cutting all straight. It sounds much better. Works nice. And the fan belt is holding on.